Please, madam.
It was truly magical, mesmerizing. We were occupied and surprised how all the tricks happened. But since we know it's a trick, but how it happened. So you need to teach us. Thank you so much.
I think you are better magical teachers than me. Yes, madam.
Oh, it was too good, and it was a break for me, and I enjoyed a lot like a children. My children was very happy, and it was a very good gift from my side for my students.
That's great. Yes, madam. Coming to you.
ನಿರಂಜನ್ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಶೋ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಮಾಯಾ ಲೋಕವನ್ನೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಿಬ್ಬೆರಗಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಟ್ರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
I think ಈ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ I should thank completely all the three of you. It was a great time for me also. Thank you very much.
You know, Madam came and approached me, ma'am, what shall we do this time for our children?
Okay.
Then when it flashed to my mind, long back your father had come.
Correct.
So then I told, okay, we'll have magic show this time. Anyhow, sir has not come for so many days.
Right.
I inquired, I didn't have his phone number.
Okay.
Then I called up Sumana and Sumana.
Correct. Howdu.
So then